How you doing, neighbors? Hola, ¿cómo están, vecinos? Come closer. I gotta tell you something. Come closer. Closer. We're not that close. Back up. Gee, no. uh, I'm gonna be decorating the coffee bar. I'm already taking some stuff out, and I'm gonna redo my table for Thanksgiving. So this is gonna be Christmas. The table, I'm changing it. The same Thanksgiving because Thanksgiving dinner. So I'm just rearranging differently. And and I'm gonna show you how to use wrapping paper on your lamps. I'm gonna decorate those two lamps flat because the lamps that size are like $25. This is an old paper that I have laying around, and with wrapping paper you can do whatever you want. Just let your imagination go wild and just create things. You can decorate a whole wall, um, lamps, boxes. Even with the boxes, you make fake gift boxes and wrap it up like real gifts and just for decoration. Anyway, so I won't keep you. I'm gonna be working on this, and then I'll see you soon. Okay, neighbors, let me show you what I did. So I measure the paper, right? Let me put it here. I measure the paper, and when you measure the paper, make sure that you measure it from the bottom, okay? Because that's what's gonna count. So make sure that you leave a little bit more space than that. So you measure from the bottom, not the top, the bottom. Okay, then of course I measure it from here, how high, and I just leave a little bit more room in the top and in the bottom, okay? A little room. After that, I cut the pieces. You can see I cut the pieces. Let me show you. They're right here. They cut up, and then now I'm overlapping them, and I'm gluing it right here. Right? I'm gonna show you in a little bit. So there is one, and then the other piece, and then the other piece, and the other piece. All right? That's how I'm doing it. And then I'm gonna add to the edge of the bottom of the lamp. I'm gonna put the Mackenzie-Childs wrapping paper too. And what I did is cut long pieces left over of paper, and this is what I'm doing. So in order to have that, I've just I'm folding it like this. I want to see if you can see. Do you see this? Like this. I'm folding it in half so I can have room for the back too. So I'm doing the back and in the front of the lamp, the inside of the lamp. You see that? So when I glue it, it's gonna go like that, right? Like that, inside and out. All right. Okay, so I'm using hot glue gun. You can use tape if you like. When you change it, it's gonna come off anyways because it's paper, so don't worry that you're gonna ruin it. I'm putting like not too much and not too little, so enough to hold. So make sure that you match the lines because sometimes the paper can be upside down and it looks like it's not gonna match, but just make sure that you're lining up with that. So I'm gonna glue it right there. I just burned myself so bad. Oh my god. Oh. It's no crying in baseball. Okay. Just be very careful, guys, because this hot glue is very painful when it's hot. So there it is. Okay, neighbors, it's done. I didn't took the cover of the lamp. You have to use the same cover of the lamp for protection because it's paper. Okay, so what I use is a small light bulb. As you can see, that little one, very tiny light bulb. And don't leave it too long. If you feel that it's getting too hot, shut it down for a while and turn it back on. But there you have it. Here is the plate DIY. So I hope you like it. Try it and see if you can do it. Most of my decorations that I'm doing is my own DIY. The cones, the Christmas art, and the lamps. I still decorating. See you soon again. Take care. Adios.